Tiny dragon, big sneezes. Nobody believed a dragon could be smaller than a teacup, but Pip was proof, with wings tinier than dandelion fluff. One chilly night, Pip curled up on a moonbeam and felt a tickle in his nose. Before he could stop it, Pip let out a sneeze so bright it zipped straight into the sky. The stars, surprised, exploded into fits of giggles, twinkling and shimmering with laughter. Pip's cheeks turned rosy as the sky sparkled brighter than ever before. Since then, every time Pip sneezes, the stars remember and giggle a little louder.